Esprit Automation is a leading manufacturer of CNC plasma and flame cutting machines. From our base in Nottingham, we supply a range of advanced sheet and plate metal cutting solutions for customers throughout the world. All Esprit machines are designed and produced on-site, ensuring transparency and quality control throughout the manufacturing process. Through fabrication, assembly and finishing, each machine is manufactured to the highest standard by our dedicated team. With in-house CNC machining capabilities and a roster of highly skilled engineers, our facility is equipped to produce equipment of remarkable performance and quality. Esprit machines incorporate world-class components to enable precision control and advanced dynamic performance of the cutting torch. Each machine is assembled and wired by hand and extensively tested to guarantee optimum performance. We hold large stocks of spare parts at our Nottingham facility and the UK's largest stock of hypertherm consumables and spares, all available for next-day delivery. To complement our wide range of machines, we also offer filtration systems to ensure a clean working environment. Our service and technical team are always on hand to provide customer support, operator training, preventative maintenance and breakdown cover. Our ProCut CAD/CAM, nesting and ProManager software solutions are developed, trained and supported in-house. Esprit have the knowledge and the experience to provide expert advice on any plate or sheet metal cutting application. Combined with comprehensive after-sales support, Esprit can provide an unrivaled solution to your needs. For more information, visit espritautomation.com.